Hi, I'm Walt with Do-It-Yourself Pest Control. I'd like to talk about a little bit of an unpleasant topic, and that would be rodents. We're going to cover mice and rats. One thing I always like to remember and explain to customers is that rodents do not see very well. That's why if you see a rat or a mouse, they usually run along the wall. They have extremely good feeling. So when we put traps out or we put baits out, we usually go along walls. Now, advantages of snap traps, glue boards, live traps, etc. over rodenticides and baiting is that you do know where they're going to die. Now, the disadvantage of trapping is that it's more hands-on. You're going to have to check this probably every day or two. Now, we would like to talk about the different products. Now, these are the most popular traps in the pest control industry, the most popular glue boards in the pest control industry. That's why we have them. Now, the T-Rex trap came out about 15 years ago. It's very easy to set. You can see that. We have one for rats. We have one for mice. Very easy to set. We'll put these over there. I don't want to put my finger in them. The Victor snap trap, it's got a lot of torque. I mean, it really knocks. Not too many times a rat's going to get out of this one. For that matter, not this one either. Now, they are a little bit harder to set. Now, I do make it look a little bit easy. Most people, if they're novices, they're going to be a little bit nervous. That's why you might want to think about T-Rex trap. The mouse trap's a little bit easier than the rat trap. So now the advantages of Victor over this, other than it has a lot of torque, it's a good bit less expensive as well. So we will slide this over. I'll try not to put my finger in there. Glue boards. We usually use tray glue boards, several different brands that we have. This is a Bell Labs glue board, and we'll show you how to place those along the walls. This is mice. Now, obviously it will catch mice as well. You can see how sticky it is, but they do have to step up, and the mouse is very small. This glue board is a little bit more effective on mice. It's pull this paper back like this, and now you notice there's no stepping on there, so they're just running along. So we prefer these on mice. Live traps, I love them. I think everybody ought to have a live trap. Live traps, you come home one day and there's a rat, you can literally run them right into the trap. You don't have to use baits. Now, if you're putting this up in the attic to try to catch a rat, you will put baits in there. But if you have a trap, a rat in the house that's loose, put this along the wall, run them into it, and you'll find that that's the best way to do that.